All right. So today we decided we're going to the beach. Excuse my mess. It's an organized mess. I know where everything's at. I just don't know where. I just don't have time to put everything up. But today we're going to the beach. So I'm grabbing everything. We need to go to the beach. And we're going to do a checklist of everything I feel you need to go to the beach. So yeah. So some of these items on the list are going to be pretty obvious, but I know there's a lot of people that come to town that don't go to the beach very often. So if that's you, hope this list helps. And if you got anything you want to add to this list, go ahead and put it in the comments, right? But these are the things that I make sure I have before I go to the beach. Number one, I always like to take shade, canopy, or an umbrella of some sort. Those new wind sails are super cool. Of course, an ice chest with food and drinks. We usually just do sandwiches, chips, cookies, nothing crazy. Chairs, you're gonna want plenty of chairs, something to sit on. Beach towel. I got a nylon rug that's actually pretty cool. I like taking that. Beach toys, we take the cornhole boards. You can take stuff to build a sandcastle, boogie boards, all that fun stuff. Sunblock, don't forget your sunblock. You will burn if you do not have sunblock. Clean water, I like taking clean water in a small ice chest to wash my hands or wash anything before I eat. And then of course your beach pass. The beach pass is going to run you $12. Don't forget that if you're coming to Padre Island, if you're coming to North Padre Island, actually, Port A, any of that space, you got to have your beach tag. It could bite you in the butt and cost you a $500 fine. What's up, fool?
Yo, what's up?
Whoa, look at that grill. Joe, that's going on YouTube, right? Say hi.
Say hi, mama. Say hi. You don't want to be all up on the camera?
Hey, what's up, Doug? Hey, say what's up, dude.
What's up? What's up?
Come on, say what's up, dude.
What's up, Booty?
Oh, say what's up, man. What's up, dude? What was that? I'm trying to pick it up. That's too much work, dude.
I'm trying to pick it up. That's slippery.
Here, pass it over here. There you go. All right, Braylon. Yeah, exactly like that. Right. Pop it underneath. Go underneath it. Hey, remember those beach passes I was telling you about? I did have a beach pass. She did not give me a ticket. But my beach pass was on the wrong side. It's supposed to be on the bottom right side of your windshield, I guess the passenger side. I didn't know that, but it clearly says on the back of the tag. So she just told me to move it. She was super sweet.